Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to use Canva to make notebooks. To begin, open Canva and select Create a Design to set up your custom page size. A popular dimension for journals is 6 by 9 inches, which provides ample writing space. Once you've set your dimensions, choose a blank document to begin crafting your unique notebook pages. This initial setup is crucial for a professional-looking result. Now, let's craft the interior pages of your notebook. Utilize Canva's extensive elements library to add lines, grids, or dots, depending on your notebook's purpose. For comfortable writing, customize the line spacing to about 7 millimeters. You can also incorporate decorative borders or small graphics to enhance the visual appeal of each page. This step allows for immense creativity and personalization. With your individual page designed, it's time to assemble your notebook. Simply duplicate your crafted page to create as many identical pages as you need for your notebook's interior. Arrange these pages in a logical sequence, ensuring a smooth flow. You might also consider adding a dedicated title page or a "This notebook belongs to" section for a personalized touch. This builds the core structure. Finally, let's prepare your notebook for printing. Download your completed design as a PDF print file from Canva, ensuring the highest quality settings for crisp lines and images. You can then print your pages conveniently at home using your personal printer. Alternatively, for a more professional finish, send your file to a local print shop. This brings your creation to life.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.